What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best cameras for YouTube on the market. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below, so check it out. It's possible you already know what a GoPro is. These waterproof wonders have become a household name. If your YouTube exploits are likely to include underwater adventures or extreme stunts, the HERO9 Black is the camera for you. Modernized to battle with rivals like the DJI Osmo Action, the HERO9 Black now sports a beneficial front screen that makes vlogging more compatible and class-leading image stabilization for silky-smooth footage in all conditions. If you need a camera to attach to the front of a mountain bike or a whitewater raft or to take skydiving, then the HERO9 Black is the best you can purchase right now. Adding a 23.6 MP sensor and new essential design and engineering specialities, GoPro upgrades its flagship action camera with more of everything with a robust HERO9 Black, giving high detail 5K 30 video, 20MP photo capture, alongside new connections of expert settings and practical functions. The front display, which is the former Hero model displayed status information, is now bigger at 1.4 inches and gives a live view, enabling you to frame shots for vlogging and similar uses. A new HyperSmooth 3.0 digital image stabilization with in-camera horizon leveling allows you to produce even smoother, more steady videos without a gimbal. While a full-on action camera, the HERO9 Black makes utilization of its immense feature set also to let you utilize it as a webcam and for 1080p Full HD live streaming, giving a complete solution for all your action cam adventures, and more in a muscular design that's 33 feet waterproof without an external housing required. While in the past, several of Sony's small and mirrorless cameras were still shooters first, with video as an extra, the ZV-1 signifies a shift in the other direction. First and foremost, it's a vlogging camera. It comes with many useful video features as standard. One particularly welcome one is the onboard directional microphone, eliminating the requirement for most users to purchase an extra mic. Vloggers and influencers enjoy. The Sony ZV-1 is a small purpose-built camera, blending the proven imaging abilities of the RX100 series platform with a renewed physical design for more useful content creation. Starring a side flip-out 3-inch touchscreen and a directional 3-capsule microphone that are ideal for front-facing recording, the ZV-1 also creates this group with a product showcase setting, soft scan effect, background defocus function, and face priority auto exposure. Notwithstanding its sleek and lightweight form, the ZV-1 is also defined by its large right-hand grip that is perfect for one-handed recording in conjunction with a front tab lamp, larger rec button on the top plate, and a multi-interface shoe for connecting accessories. An impressive Zeiss 24 to 70mm equivalent conventional zoom lens with a bright f1.8 to 2.8 highest aperture range is also featured and suiting recording while walking. Active steady shot image stabilization helps to steady footage and diminish the appearance of camera shake for more fluid takes. Inside, the ZV-1 has some familiar imaging traits in the form of a 20.1 MP 1-inch type Exmor RS piled CMOS sensor and Bion's X image processor, and front-end LCI, which adds to impressively fast performance along with wide-ranging sensitivity to satisfy operating in a variety of situations. The Canon EOS M50 is an upper entry-level mirrorless camera with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, confident autofocus, small but crisp OLED viewfinder, best wireless, and becomes Canon's first mirrorless with 4K video, a fully articulated touchscreen, eye detection, and silent shooting options. Sadly, the 4K is of limited use, using a severe crop and only working with less confident contrast-based autofocus. We got frustrated because there's no USB charging, especially since the battery is comparatively weak. But these aside, the EOS M50 remains a highly compelling model with a small but comfortable body, useful touchscreen, industry-leading wireless, confident focusing for 1080p video, and great colors out of camera. Indeed, the M50 may be pitched as an upper-level model, but we reckon it's Canon's most compelling mirrorless to date. Compelled with a hot shoe and microphone input, the M50 will be as popular with vloggers as it is with those looking for an accent from smartphone photography. Complementing the imaging attributes, the EOS M50 also includes a 2.36 M.OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch touchscreen LCD for automatic control. Even a few years after its original release, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S still gives one of the best video specs around. Its intelligent multi-aspect sensor enables you to shoot at different aspect ratios quickly. It can shoot in the more comprehensive Cinema 4K 17:9 format, for instance. Then there's also the dual native ISO, a complicated technology whose bottom line is that the video created is cleaner with less noise. Rugged, DSLR-esque ergonomics make the GH5S a useful outdoor camera and a joy to handle, while the video features are sublime, showing that they can push the GH series even farther into the video department. The Panasonic Lumix DC GH5S is a mirrorless Micro Four Thirds camera, optimized for video recording and low-light display. Revolving around a 10.28 MP Digital Live MOS sensor, DCI, and UHD 4K video recording is probable at up to 60p. The large individual pixel size also affords remarkable low-light performance to an extensive ISO 204,800 and dual native ISO technology at ISO 400 and ISO 2500. Linked with an updated Venus engine, the sensor and processor alliance also enables more accelerated readout speeds, along with 1.3 times less rolling shutter distortion related to previous GH series cameras. Internal DCI 4K 30p recording is open with 4x2x2 10-bit sampling, and a full-size HDMI-A connector can be used to congruently output to an arbitrary external monitor or recorder. The sensor's extended sensitivity range has also been used to improve working with log-L and hybrid log-gamma HDR modes for effectively increasing your effective range and affording more flexibility when color grading during post-production. If you need a camera for YouTube that's potent, affordable, comfortable, and easy to use, we reckon the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is the model that's ticking all those boxes right now. It's a compact camera with a fast and handy 24 to 100mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens that gives you real shooting versatility. It can create a great-looking 4K UHD video at 30p, though there is a 10-minute time limit for its highest quality footage. It has live streaming capabilities, so it can be set up to broadcast straight to YouTube, and there's also a 3.5mm mic input, which is essential for guaranteeing your videos sound as good as they look. Offering multimedia facility within a small design, the Black Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a sleek camera selected by its advanced sensor design and flexible imaging abilities. Its 20.1 MP 1-inch CMOS sensor utilizes a stacked design which pairs with the Digic 8 image processor to realize especially fast-focusing performance, full-resolution shooting at up to 20 frames per second, and UHD 4K 30p video recording. Optically, the G7X Mark III houses a 4.2 times zoom lens, which includes a 24 to 100mm equivalent focal length range for wide angle to short telephoto fields of view. An f1.8 to 2.8 highest aperture range suits operating in difficult lighting situations, as does an optical image stabilizer, which compensates for the effects of camera shake. The camera's slim design also includes a 3-inch 180-degree tilting touchscreen LCD and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wirelessly connecting to a mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.